Good morning, student of grade 4. Myself Bhagwati Prajapat and I am your maths teacher. Today we will start our block 3, lesson 4. Now I am going to do explanation of lesson 4 of block 3. Lesson 4 is estimating the sum. First of all, we have to know that what is the mean of estimating. Yes, suppose I am telling you example. Our school library has about 1000 textbook approximately. That means this is not correctly exact number we don't have. We are telling only approximately. This is called estimate. That means rounding off. Okay, students? So we have a Danish set and we have our places and we have number. Okay, student? So my question is round off each number to the highest place. Round off each number to the highest place. In this number, first we have this number. In this number, what is the highest place? Which one is our highest place? Ones? No. Tens? No. Hundreds? No. Thousands? Yes, thousands is our highest place. Okay, students. So highest place is 1000. That means we will rounding off nearby 1000. Nearby 1000. So if we are going to rounding off near as 1000, so we will see just before place. Just before place. Just before place is hundreds. Okay, students. Just before place is hundreds place. If we have at hundreds place, if we have at hundreds place more than 5 or more than 5, then we will change in our thousands place. Then we will change in our thousands place. Now see at hundreds place we have 6, that is more than 5. So we will change in 8. Now what we will change? We will add 1 in thousands place. 8 thousands place. So add 1. Okay. And what about these numbers? Ones, tens and hundreds. We will put these numbers as 00. As 00. Okay, students. If we add 1 in 8, what number we will got? 9. What number we will got? 9. And we will put at the remaining places, we will put 0, 0 and again 0. The estimating, that means rounding off number is 9000. Is 9000. This is our rounding off nearest thousands. Okay, students? Nearest thousands. Okay, now come on next question. Next question we have the number is 7293. Again we are going to rounding off nearest thousand. What we will do? We will change in our thousands place, but we have a condition. Okay, if we have 800s place, 5 or more than 5, then we will change in 7. That means we will add. But if we have less than 5, 800s place, we will no change. We will no change. That means हम 7 में कोई change नहीं करेंगे, 1 add नहीं करेंगे. Okay, so if we are not changing in this number, so the number will come same 7. And what about these number? We will put 0, 0 and 0. We will put 0, 0 and 0. The number is 7000. Rounding off 7,000. Okay students, so this was the video of rounding off nearby thousands place or highest place. Okay, so now students, we are doing estimating sum of the number. What is the estimating? So in our school, so we will take an example. In our school, library has about 1,000 textbooks and about 2,000 storybooks. That means we have total 3,000 books in our library. So students, these numbers are exactly? No, these are not exactly. These are only estimated. These are only estimated. So students, we will start how we solve estimated sum. Okay, so let's start. We have two numbers here. First is 5,167 and second is we have 4,638. Now we have to find out the first of all the sum of both numbers. 8 and 7 will become 15. We will took one carry will come on tens place. Now we have 7 and 3, it will become 10, and we have one carry again on hundreds place. We have 6, 7 and 8. Now we have 8,000 place 5 or 4 will become 9. This is our normally sum. Okay, 9,805. If we are doing estimating sum, that means we have to do rounding of nearest thousand. In last video also we had already study about rounding off nearest thousand. What we will do in nearest thousand? If we have in nearest thousand, we will change in thousands place. Okay, so if we are doing rounding off nearest thousand, we always see our hundreds place just before place. Now we have some rules to change. Okay, so if we have 800s place less than 5, if we have 800s place less than 5, so we will not change in our thousands place. That means 5 will be as it is. Okay students, and these remaining places will become 0, 0. Now if we have, second rule is, if we have 800s place equal to 5 or more than 5, then we will add 1 in hundreds place. At hundreds place, and at the remaining places we will put 0, 0 and 0. Okay students, so let's start. In this question we have 8,000 place. Okay, we have to change this, and for that we have to see hundreds place. If we have less than 800s place, we will not change in 5. That means it will be as it is. And these remaining places will become 0, 0. These remaining places will become 0, 0. If we have in this number, we will come on next number. In this number we have 4 and we will see 800s place. So if we have 5 or more than 5, then we will add 1 in thousands place. At the remaining places will become 0, 0, 0. So students, let's do this question. This is the rounding of nearest thousand of 5167। 5000 इसीलिए आया क्योंकि हमारे पास 100 प्लेस पे 1 था, दैट इज लेस देन 5, so we will not change in our hundreds place, and this one is rounding of 4638. So we have already changed in this at this place. Why we changed? Because we was हमारे पास क्या था, 100 पे 6 था, दैट इज ए equal or more than, that was more than by 5, so we will change in our thousands place, we will add 1 in 4, it will become 5, and remaining places will become 0. So let's add both numbers, 0 0 0 and 5 will become 10. Now in Danish set we have thousands, and we will put a carry 8 10,000s place, 8 10,000s place. Now the number is 10,000. The number is 10,000. This is the rounding of number 9805. Why this come 10? It will become 10 because in the number we have 800 space 8, that is more than 5, so we will change in our thousands place, and at thousands place we have 9 and we will add 1, it will become 10. So estimating sum is 10,000. So students, this was the video of estimating sum